Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the camera feature in headset. Yes, there is a hidden camera in headset and we will see how to use it. Now, first you need to enable the camera feature. In order to enable, click on this arrow from the title bar and select this More Commands option. Now from popular commands, select this All Commands. And you can see the list of options which is appearing. Now from this drop down, just move on to find out the camera option. So camera option will be somewhere over here and here we are. So select this camera option and then click on add and then give OK. So once you give OK, you can see that the camera feature is appearing in the title bar. Now, in order to use this camera feature, select the range of data that you want. So, if at all you want the entire data to be selected, just click over here. Here, I'm not going to select the entire data. So, I'm going to just select the range of data over here and then click on this camera feature. Once you click on that, you can see that the data has been selected. Now, go to the sheet where you want to paste. You can even make use of this feature in Word or PowerPoint or any other application and then click anywhere. And once you click anywhere, you can see the picture has been copied. So once you select, you can see that the picture format is being enabled. Now, the main advantage of using this feature is that the data will also get changed if you make changes in the base data or the main data. So I'll move on to sheet 1. I'll just change the salary maybe. So and then press enter. So you can go to sheet 4 and you can see that the salary was also be changed. And that concludes my video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do not forget to subscribe. Also click on the bell icon for further updates.